Okay, so Brittany has terrible hiccups that are making me go kind of crazy. There is a trick of how you get rid of hiccups. So you'll want to keep this and learn this. You open it and you lean over and you drink it upside down like this. Oh. No, you gotta drink it upside down. No. Okay, pay attention, people. Your lips need to go on the front of this. So see, you drink it upside down. Okay, we're back. We have a cup. I'm gonna teach you how to do it from a cup. Okay, pour your water in there.
Step 1, pour your water.
Step 1, pour your water. Okay? Now you have a cup. Whoa, that was a lot of water. And again, we're gonna bend over. Oops, it kind of got my eye. And drink upside down. Yes, yeah, girl. Okay, okay.
I don't have any hiccups.
Okay, her hiccups are gone. Try this at home.